This tutorial is going to be how to set up and take down the large oval reflector. When opening it up, just unzip the bag and then keep your hand on it so that it doesn't spring out, just like the smaller one. And then you're going to, with both hands, just slowly untwist it, and then it should kind of spring out. But you do need to be careful with it. This one has two surfaces, a gold and silver side and the white side. Now to collapse this one, I like to put it on my foot, especially if I'm going to be on some ground that is a little bit rough, like asphalt or concrete. So just putting it on my foot, and then I want to do is just press it so that it starts to bend in half, and reach down, pull it up so I've got it in half like this. Just like the smaller one thumb up and one thumb down right on the frame. And then I'm going to pull one toward me and push one away. And then it should just fold into itself. So one thumb up and one thumb down, the one that is up toward you and the one that is down away from you. And then just roll it forward and it will collapse. And then you can just store it right in the bag. But that is how to set up and take down the large oval reflector.